That's my first unboxing video. uh, we got a package from Ready Made RC. Received just now, and it was purchased during the Black Friday. Take advantage of that discount. It's Nina's first spectator goggles, or whoever spectator goggles. Let's open it. There you go. That's the air unit. It was $6.99 for something which normally $800. These are the goggles. We have already one, which is the pilot unit. With this, my primer headset. It's a digital, beautiful displays. So I'm not gonna open. Should I open it, or should I let you open? Okay, you open. We'll make this prettier.
I hope. All right. Okay. Oh. Okay. What's this here? One.
There's the paperwork.
Okay. Wow. It's a lot of paperwork. Yeah.
They love to do that.
There you go.
These are the goggles. Yeah,
So maybe the straps are here,
just the same.
or the straps are not included.
Straps are there. As far as I remember, the power plug, power cord, and some paperwork.
Yeah.
Right. You can lay it out on the table for people to see. So USB, power plug, 4 little antennas. Oh, and back
Oh, it's a bag
with the strap
and some paperwork. Yeah.
and paperwork. Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Great.
Merry Christmas. Hey. I just want to make one addition. We are not going to install here the strap which came with the DJI unit. We're going to install this beautiful thing. It's by, you can zoom in the label, Fatstraps. They are a little company in Florida. They make all kind of hardware accessories for fat shark goggles and all kind of goggles. Now they have this thing, and I'm one of the early adopters, users, whatever. We got this, and we'll see how it works. And it seems fine. Much more simple than the normal one, which have a third piece going here. All right, install like this. You just put it in. And clips. I kind of like the Velcro better, but clips are good too. Fatstraps. Oh, this is for the battery, in case if you wonder. Yeah. Let's see how it looks. I mean, you should put them on, not me. This is your headset. Can I pass it? Can you pass it to me?
Okay.
Yeah, probably need to be adjusted, but
Yeah, a little bit.
yeah, looking good.
Yeah. There you go.
Nice. Hi. Canada. Very sweet little antennas for the receiver unit. It's supposed to work better according to the reviews than its upgrade kit compared to the DJI stock antennas. I don't want to take him out. So, yeah, they tailor to fit straight. It's reversed SMA, RP SMA, and matches the SMA mount, and even the polarization of the antenna. It's left side polarized, 5.8 gigahertz. As you know, radiation have the circle pulse antenna have two type of orientation: left side and the right side, and that's important when you match them with the air unit and the air unit antennas. Downloading and updating the firmware before we activated it. Oh, it just started. Now it's actually updating after downloaded it. The pretty idyllic picture, husband and wife flying together.
The audience page. The frequency channel being used by a pilot will be marked player
Boyfriend and
1.
girlfriend. I don't know.
Click on the channel to enter audience mode. And you will be able to see the real-time FPV video feed.
Yeah, I'm using myself until I wet. It's updated the firmware of the new unit, and I activate the goggles. Plug them in, and now what we're gonna do is we'll power the quadcopter we have. Let me show you. This is what I built for my DJI FPV, Digital FPV high definition. It's a clone frame. It's called Sloss instead of Floss. And I Frankenstein 2 different frames. Long story. Self-made lithium-ion battery. I just finished it last night. Fresh, charged. 6 cell, high endurance, and high amperes. So I'm gonna plug in the quad. I wanted to do this to show you what the fit looks like. So it takes a little time to. Okay. Can you stick the lens inside the one of the two? Closer to one of the lens.
Yes, yeah.
You see the whole field of view.
Caminho do. Wait. I'll get much better.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
That's much enough. Okay. Now I have to activate the other goggles in the audience mode. Never done this before. So it's second on top. You see it? There's a player, and then audience mode. Am I on the audience?
No, it's hard to read that.
Am I on the audience mode already?
It's hard to see that. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. Now, can you stick it in the upper left
Yeah,
corner?
Channels.
Channel and player 1.
Audience, yeah, I see that. Audience playback settings, yeah.
Am I in the channel?
Channel 1.
Do you see picture?
Yeah.
You see picture?
Yeah.
Yeah. And out. Can you? Now you see picture, right? Alright, that's it. That's it. It works. Great. In my t-shirt today, it's very special. It's created by our son Yuri. Waves. Think of it. All kind of waves.